குடிச்சிங்களா? நேற்று நைட்டு குடிச்சிங்களா?
Tamil Nadu hooch tragedy, tall mounts to 39, many in serious condition. Of the 120 persons admitted to government hospitals, as many as 82 are currently undergoing treatment. 16 persons in JIP-ME are critical. Stalin constitutes one-man commission to conduct inquiry into the deaths. Crime branch CID begins its probe. A senior police officer stated that they had taken 3 people into custody and they believed that at least 3 to 4 who died had consumed liquor not from the government-run liquor shop but from private people. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M. K. Stalin said he was shocked by the deaths and promised to take action against those officials who were responsible for not preventing the incident. He also posted on X saying, and I quote, "The accused have been arrested. Action has been taken against officials who failed to prevent this. We will crack down with an iron hand. If the public complains about such perpetrators, action would be taken." Stalin has also ordered a crime branch investigation for a thorough probe. The Tamil Nadu government has replaced Shravan Kumar, the collector of Kallakurichi district, and MS Prasad was quickly appointed as the new collector. 9 persons, including the Kallakurichi district superintendent of police, have been fired. Chief Minister also asked 2 ministers, including Health Minister M. A. Subramaniam, to ensure every possible medical help for the affected people. The Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly sessions commence today. Following the assembly, Chief Minister Stalin will head a high-level committee meeting to discuss the Kallakurichi liquor issue. Ministers Ponmudi, A.V. Velu, Tamil Nadu DGP Shankar Jiwal, Intelligence and other senior officials are expected to attend the meeting. It's been a year since the Marakanam liquor deaths and this same thing is occurring again in Kallakurichi. The urgent high-level conference is being conducted in the light of the continued rise in casualties. The meeting is expected to include many crucial decisions.